I just want to show you a bit about the controls on this MP3 530. When I first got it, I didn't have the instruction book with me or anything. I was out and somehow I changed it into eco mode and didn't know how to get it out of eco mode. So here's how you use the ignition. First of all, it's keyless ignition, so it's proximity sensor. So you just have the key fob in your pocket. I'll just show you the key fob. Is that there? You can use that to unlock the seat. You can also use it to unlock the fuel cap and use it to lock the scooter, I think. But to be honest, you don't really need that key most of the time. Just keep it in your pocket. So as long as you close the scooter, you can press the ignition switch and then the screen will light up. Turn the ignition knob to on, flashes through and goes onto the main dash there. Now what I was finding trouble with, I'm in sport mode there, look. I was trying to play about with all these controls here for the other functions, trying everything, trying the start button on its own, nothing was working. I had a look on YouTube because I was out somewhere stuck in eco mode, couldn't find a video, so I thought better do this one. So basically the starter button has three functions. First of all, it's a starter, so pull a brake in, the engine starts. Then you can also press it again and it changes the mode. So you've got eco mode, sport mode and comfort mode. So you just have to do that at a standstill with a closed throttle. Now the third function of the starter button is for reverse. So you've got your reverse down here. There's your reversing camera. So I'm just going to reverse a bit now. I don't know how well you can see this on the video because the sun's a bit in my eyes. But press the starter button. That's it. Reversed into a space. Put your handbrake on and that's you parked up, lovely. And then you flick it out to reverse, camera goes off and there you go. So actually three functions on your ignition switch and that's it. Other controls in here, you've got hazard warning lights, start stop for the engine, you've got your cruise control, flash, dip beam, high beam. That's for your main menus which flick across. Change various functions on there. You can press and hold it, the left hand button, to get into the settings menu. So you've got language, configuration, change the backlighting, graphic, which if you go into that, change the colour, sport mode, eco colour, various things like that. Press and hold for exit.